recent days, many youngsters have shown interest towards agriculture. But they have not got adequate market facilities. Thus, many of them have lost interest in farming. However, here a youth along with his father involved in integrated farming activities and invented Nati Poultry egg incubator machine for affordable price and selling the same for reasonable price to the farmers. Anil, a resident of Uluware village near Musalehalli en route to Holinarsipura of Hassan district, has invented Nati Poultry breeding incubator for a reasonable price and selling it for Rs 3,500 to the farmers. Anil is doing Nati Poultry farming and got success in that also. Besides, he is giving training to the farmers about Nati Poultry farming. Anil studied ITI invented an incubator by using a small cardboard box, fan and temperature controller unit.
I have not get job for my education. Decided to do agriculture. My father is a cultivating mushroom. I have decided to do Nati Poultry farming.
Anil is selling Nati chick of day 1 for Rs 40. He is selling chick which has 15 to 20 days for Rs 100 to 150. He is selling Rs 15 per Nati egg. Already, he sold more than 60 incubators to the farmers.
I have prepared a breeding incubator machine of Rs 3,500. I have been supplying the same to my friends and farmers of my locality. Box will have to the mechanism to control. I have fixed thermometer inside. Once the temperature reaches 37.7 degrees Celsius, bulb will be get switched on. Already I have sold 50 to 60 such box to the farmers.
Swami Gowda, father of Anil, supports his son's work. His father is cultivating mushroom to an extent of 1 acre 8 ganta land. Anil is doing organic farming in the same land and getting good yield. In small room, Mr. Anil has cultivated 150 to 200 bags of mushrooms. Initially, he have faced market problems. But now we are directly selling mushrooms to the farmers and getting good prices, says Swami Gowda.
We are procuring 1 kilogram seeds for 90 rupees. If we ourselves sell directly to the farmer for 1 kilogram mushroom, we will get 200 rupees. It would help all the farmers of our locality.
Both father and son planting coconut, orange, banana, cardamom and other plantations. At present, they are having 40 coconut trees. If we visit here, you will see a farmland into an agro laboratory. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.